Okay, I tried to film earlier and the thing went above my pocket, so we're gonna try it this way now. See if that lets you record. Alright, so I can show you what it's like, all the landslides. I missed out on some good footage because it stopped recording on me. It has been full of landslides. I don't know if you heard it in the last video. We're 21 kilometers from Sapa. Maybe I should have filmed from this angle the whole time. I don't know. Yeah, look at these roads. It's full of dirt. They've been trying to clean up. places I saw when I came here. Hope we're still recording. Can you see it? Little waterfall area. So cool. Okay, are we still recording? I hope so. Let's get it.